Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, we're diving into the top Vortex spotting scopes you can grab on Amazon. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Want to find out which one is the best for your next adventure? Stick around as we compare them side by side to help you make the right choice. Check out the links in the description for more details. Feeling overwhelmed by all the options when choosing the perfect spotting scope? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's break down the best Vortex spotting scopes so you can make an informed decision. Whether you're into birdwatching, hunting, or just love exploring the outdoors, choosing the right spotting scope can truly enhance your experience. From lightweight, portable options to premium, high-performance models, Vortex has something for everyone. Let's get started. Number 3, Vortex Optics Diamondback HD Spotting Scope 2060 85mm. If you're after high performance without draining your wallet, the Vortex Diamondback HD is a must-see. With an 85mm objective lens, it delivers sharp, clear images, even at higher magnifications. Thanks to HD glass and advanced coatings like XR multi-coatings and armor tech, you'll get vibrant, distortion-free colors every time. So, whether you're birdwatching or at the range, this scope will impress. Its rugged construction makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, and the built-in sunshade reduces glare, allowing for better viewing in bright conditions. The 2060 magnification is great for mid to long-range views, though the field of view can be a bit narrow at lower zoom levels. However, it's easy to focus thanks to the smooth, well-damped helical collar. Plus, it's waterproof and fog resistance, making it reliable in any weather. It's also tripod adaptable, which ensures stability for long observation sessions. Pros: excellent image quality, rugged build, smooth focusing, great low light performance, built-in sunshade. Cons: narrow field of view at low magnifications, zoom eyepiece limits compatibility. The Vortex Diamondback HD is perfect for those looking for durable premium optics at a budget-friendly price. It's not ideal for wide views, but excels in detailed, long-range tasks. Number 2, Vortex Optics Razor HD Spotting Scope 27 to 60 85mm. The Vortex Razor HD offers the perfect balance of performance and price. This premium scope gives you bright, sharp, high-contrast images thanks to its large 85mm objective lens. Ideal for wildlife observation and low-light conditions. It's surprisingly compact for a full-size scope, weighing less than 2 Go, and the angle design also makes extended viewing more comfortable, reducing neck strain during prolonged use. However, when you push the magnification to the max, the image quality does suffer a bit. Also, the included neoprene cover makes the sunshade nearly useless, but these minor drawbacks are worth considering, especially with Vortex's unbeatable lifetime warranty. The Razor HD also features premium APO system optics, providing exceptional color fidelity across the entire visual spectrum. Pros: excellent optical performance, lifetime warranty, compact design for its class, angled viewing for comfort. Cons: slight image degradation at max zoom, sunshade issues. The Razor HD is an amazing choice for those looking for high-end optics without the high-end price tag. If you don't mind some slight zoom. Number 1, Vortex Optics Diamondback Spotting Scope 2060 80mm. Need a budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much on quality? The Vortex Diamondback 2060 80mm spotting scope delivers. Its 8mm objective lens gives you a wide field of view and long eye relief, making it great for glasses wearers. The rugged rubberized armor design ensures durability, though the plastic parts may raise concerns over long-term use. Its straight design is user-friendly, making it simple to track moving subjects. Weighing just under 3 pounds, it's a solid choice for shooters and hunters who need reliability on a budget. Plus, the scope is fully multi-coated for better light transmission, and its nitrogen purging makes it fog-proof and waterproof, perfect for unpredictable outdoor conditions. And pros: great optics for the price, high magnification, easy to use, lightweight and portable. Cons: plastic parts may wear over time, lacks a fine focus knob at high magnifications. Eye relief could be better at higher zooms. For budget-conscious users, this scope offers solid performance without breaking the bank. While not ideal for extreme conditions, it's perfect for occasional long-range shooting and nature observation. So, which one takes the crown? When it comes to overall value, the Vortex Razor HD stands out. It balances performance, build quality, and price like no other. If you're looking for top-tier optics but want to stay within a reasonable budget, this is your best bet. The Diamondback HD is excellent for those who want premium features at a lower cost, while the standard Diamondback is perfect for beginners or anyone seeking solid performance without overspending. Now, with the bulbous, the owlet with its vertical raised bar is at perfection, so it's not exact a... That's all for today's review. Which Vortex scope caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.